to my new video. In this weekly analysis, we are going to look at these following pairs. We have gold, we have GBP JPY, we have Bitcoin, USD JPY, NZD card, Euro GDP, Euro and Euro AUD, then GBPNZD. These are the pairs we are looking at this week, and let's start from gold. Then what I will do is I will go to daily time frame to see what exactly the daily is telling us. Then we can now take it to 1 hour. So I only use 2 time frame, which is daily and 1 hour. Daily for my major move, then 1 hour for my entry. So as you all see, it's clear that gold has been in bullish movement since all this while. So there's no need to start thinking whether it's bullish or bearish. We can see that gold is bullish. But one thing is, gold can be majorly bullish and temporarily bearish, depending on what the chart is saying. So because we know that markets cannot just be going up, there will be a retracement, but that doesn't mean that we have a bearish market. So it can be a temporary bearish while majorly bullish. So I don't want to start marking from this side. So as you all know, I intentionally don't want to bombard my channel with different approach, different analysis, different method. So I decided to just stick to one thing that I'm doing repeatedly. So, and as I explained, when market is in uptrend, what I look for is I want the market to give me break of structure like this, then come back for inducement, then probably mitigate extreme, then move on. What is important to me is I don't take trade without inducement. No trade, no inducement, no trade. So if the market do not take out my inducement, I'm not taking any trade. So that's my rules, and I have to follow it to the fullest. Sorry, it seems the network is somehow. So that's my rules, which I have to follow to the fullest. So, and let's see how it actually happened. Hold on, guys. Okay, so we are back. So let's see how it actually happened. So as you can see in this drawing, we have a break of structure here. Market came back for inducement, break structure again, inducement. I want to see something like this then before we continue. So this is exactly what I normally look for in the market. If I don't see this, I'm not taking any trade. So, and in gold daily time frame, it's applicable to all time frame, both weekly, both monthly, both. So since I know that this thing happens in all time frame, then I choose to stay with daily and 1 hour for my entry. So what I look out for is daily will give me the direction, the overall bias of what it's doing. Then I'll go to 1 hour to trade in that direction. So as you can see, we have a break of structure here. Why is this break of structure? As you see, there was an inducement here before market breaks that level. So I represent with daily IDM. So as you see, it means whenever we have this break of structure, it means that this low must be protected. Anything that comes below this level, it means that we have change of character. So, but on the market on its way to break this level, we need to look for another change of character. Another inducement, which market did not leave any inducement below. So all these are just one move. So it means that we look for pullback. So market did this pullback like this, and then this pullback and push up. So on its way created this. sorry, on its way created this, it keep pushing up. This is what we are having here. Let me show you. This is what we are having. After this break of structure, this is what we are having. This is what we are having. Market was busy creating push up, push back, push up. So market did not create any structure. Some people will be like, break of structure here, break of structure here, break of structure here. In daily time frame, that's not break of structure. It can be break of structure in 4 hours, in 1 hour, but in daily time frame, that's not break of structure. So I noticed that this is our last pullback that the market did before the last inducement that we had. A market has took out that, as came back from that inducement, which is this, because if you look at it clearly, we have this push and a pullback here. We have this push and market pullback, then continue. So that's why I marked this level as my inducement. So in this case, if we have inducement here, what next are we looking for? This is the low. This is the major low. So don't get twisted that we have change of character here. Although probably we might have temporary pullback, but until market value take out this low, that's when we can say we have change of character. So because market can get to this level and continue going up, it still make the bullish structure intact. So in this scenario, what are we looking for? Market has taken out the inducement, but the fact is we don't know where the market wants to stop before it continue. Want to stop pulling back before it continue its up movement. So what I do most times is to look for my other block, and I started from below. So, and the characteristics of this other block is that it must be a valid pullback and it must have imbalance. So some people call it fair value gap. Some will mark this level now as an other block. It's not valid. Look at it. This black candle. All this candle are internal structure. None of this candle take out the low of this black candle. So it means that the market is ranging from inside this candle. So if you look at it, this market is all this pullback, all this stuff is inside one candle. So it means that we don't have other block that is valid here. So this is our last candle. If you look at this, the same thing. These two candles are inside this level. So if I'm to look at it now, where's my valid other block? So all this has been mitigated. So mitigated, no imbalance. Okay, I think this one, let me check. So I think this one, has it been mitigated? No. Okay, so why it left a very small imbalance in between this candle. So if the market eventually come back here, we can be looking for buy. If the market come back here, we can be looking for buy. But I'm not only relying on this, because I know that this is my low and market have to protect this low. So what I will look for is, I will go to my 1 hour and look for in 1 hour, this will be a bearish trend, temporary bearish. So I will now wait for 1 hour to give me a kind of signal that this daily pullback is about to finish. So as you can see, market is giving us this 1 hour movement to the down, 1 hour movement to the down. So I want to see something like this, and I want the market to give me change of character in 1 hour. So when market give me change of character in 1 hour, maybe it happens here in this place after market mitigates this level and I have change of character, then that's when I will do what? That's when I will look for an entry. So using the same techniques, using the same approach. So what I want to see here is this. I want to see something like this. Inducement taken out. mitigation, inducement, come down, then I want this high to be violated. So once market take out this high, then automatically I'm looking for buy. So it's a sign that this daily pullback has finished and market is looking for upside. So what we are looking at is temporary bearish 1 hour. So but we are not going to wait only for that. We can still sell to, as long as market is giving us 1 hour structure to the down. So we can still sell probably to this level, because market can also come deeper. So but we'll put our attention on this level first to see wherever the market is doing when it gets to that direction, to that area. So as you can see, in 1 hour structure, market was giving us higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Market break this high, then created another one, created another high above this level. So this serves as inducement. Then at the end of the day, market took out this low. So now when we had this level that has been taken out, it means that market is looking for sell side, using 1 hour time frame. So that's when I say, okay, if this is the case, look at it. We had a change of character here. Let me remove this thing and let me mark it properly. So we had a change of character here. So it means that we are ranging from this high to this low. So what are we looking at for after this level? We can find our inducement here, which is this. Then we expect the market to mitigate here. Me personally, this is where I will be waiting for the market to come to before I can sell, because market has given me change of character in 1 hour. So this is where I want the market to come to, but unfortunately market just mitigates this other block, this one, this other block, because it's the only other block here, immediate other block here with fair value gap. So I think market mitigates. Oh, sorry, my network. Okay, so as you can see, market mitigates something here. Oh, sorry, this network is crazy. Okay. So as you can see, market mitigates something here. And what next? Market drop. So we have bearish break of structure here. Then so it means that we have break of structure here like this. Then what next are we looking for? It means that we have this high must be protected. So, and if eventually market comes up, we can look for a sell. So market created inducement here, which is this. Then this inducement. Then I was expecting it to come back. Probably, maybe it will come and mitigate something here. Then we'll sell, since I know that this level will be protected. But unfortunately, market came down here, create another inducement. So I was just looking at it, following it. Market refused to take out inducement, gave us another down movement. So as you see, so this serves like my major inducement, though we have minor here. So you understand, these are smaller pullback, which I call minor inducement. So now market has taken out inducement. This scenario, we have only two scenarios here that can happen. You see that market breaks down like this. You see that market breaks down and give us another high here, then protect this high, or market, or or market try to coil up like this before it sell. So because this level still remain valid, this level still remain valid like this. So anything that happens inside this level after inducement has been taken out, inside this level, inside this range, after inducement has been taken out like this, market can do like this, then you can see the sell movement. So it means that this is the major move. Then you see market drops. So I'll be waiting and I'll be observing what this good trade will be doing moving forward from next week. So this is what I'm expecting on gold like this. So I try to look for a POI. This POI. This seems to be the order flow that I'll be expecting the market to come to. So if the market can get to this level, then I will be looking to set my limit order here. Put my stop loss above here, then target 1 to 3, nothing more than that. So this is the current situation on gold now. So this is what I will be looking at probably next week. But if this happens and market breaks down like this from here, because inducement has been taken out, if market breaks down like this, then this level must be protected. So anything like this, I will sell again. So that means this trade will be invalid. So I'll be looking for another setup. So but as it is now, this is what I'm expecting on USD and gold. So let's move on to GBPJPY and let me show you what I was expecting on GBPJPY. So as you can see, I actually had a trade on GBPJPY, but market took me out on break even and finally dropped. So let's go into it. This is daily time frame. Looking at the structure, bullish, but something happened. Market created what we call change of character. So let me just make it snappy. This high, this low, market break this high, creates inducement, mitigate this level, then it means that this high, this low. So markets keep coiling up to this level. So anything below here is a change of character. Anything below here is a change of character. So when markets change character, what are we looking for? We are looking for inducement. So and as you can see, market came to our inducement and sweep. Market sweep, take out this inducement like this. Why is that place an inducement? Because it's the last pullback that the market did before it gave us change of character. So on its way coming down, this is the last pullback that it did, and it created change of character. It means that there's liquidity resting above here that market need before you can continue coming down like this. So since we understand that, we waited for market to get to inducement. Immediately I saw this, the market has taken out inducement. I went to 1 hour to go and see maybe 1 hour will give me change of character to bearish continuation. So, and as you can see here, this is my 1 hour break of structure. This is my low that has to be protected. Then as you see, immediately market took out this daily inducement. We had a strong reaction to the down. So when I saw this, I looked for inducement because this is the only valid inducement we had in 1 hour like this. So, and as you can see, market came back for it, mitigate something here, this level. This is not valid order block, but because I understand that this high must be protected, since market has given us change of character, I had to wait, and I took a trade, I think somewhere here, put my stop loss here, then I target this level 1 to 3. So this is my 1 to 3. So as you see, because I understand that this level must be protected and this is our low, market need to continue the bearish movement. To confirmation, daily inducement has been taken out, 1 hour change of character happens. So what am I waiting for? Is to sell. So as you see, so when I saw this, immediately market gave me this move. I was like, okay, maybe let me just put my stop loss in break even. So market came back and took me out on break even. What actually took me out was the spread, not what are they calling it? Not that the market hit my break even. The spread makes it possible. So which I understand that is part of the game. So that's why I had break even on this trade, and as you can see, market finally dropped. So now what am I looking at for? We have break of structure here like this. It means that we have break of structure. Now where is our inducement? The same thing has to repeat itself. We have an inducement here. So I want the market to pull back to this level, probably mitigate this level, because I know that my new high is this, which must be protected. So as you see, so this is what I will be looking out for in 1 hour time frame. Then for me to protect my capital, I need to put my stop loss where I know that at least if market gets there, that means I'm wrong. So I'll target 1 to 3 like this. So it's not that bad, at least as long as the market is going to give me 1 to 3. I don't really care about how big or how small my stop loss is. So, and if I look at it carefully, this is a valid order block here. Is there any other block at this level? Everything seems to be mitigated, but I think I'm seeing something here like this. Yes, it has been mitigated by this. Look at it, mitigated by this move. We had these two, not valid order block here. So it means that this one has been mitigated and this is the only valid order block. So this is more of high probability for me. If the market get back here, then I'm selling. I'll have my limit order placed there. That's for GBPJPY. I want to talk about Bitcoin last. Then USD it was a smooth trade. My USD last trade was kind of smooth, but I had another trade following my rules. Is a valid loss, so I'm taking that loss and I'm moving forward from there. So let me show you. Sorry guys, it seems my network is a bit crazy today. So let me just show you how I was able to engage this trade and what happened and the loss that I encountered on Friday. So it's very simple. This is the USD in daily time frame. As you can see, we're having a bullish trend to the top. So, and if you are to look at the daily, we have break of structure. Low must be protected. This break of structure. This is the low. So what I noticed was market created another inducement and gave us another low here. So it means that this low must be protected. Why? Because we had a small inducement here where the market came back for and closed above it. So it means that we have break of structure here. This level must be protected. But what happened? Market gave us change of character like this. So we have change of character here. So immediately I saw that change of character. What am I looking for? First things is my inducement. We had a very small inducement here, but this is the major inducement. So this level, we can use this. So, but realistically, this is my inducement because it's the last pullback here. If you look at it very well. So this is what the market gave us here. Push down. So give us this push down, then before now. So if you look at this stuff now, this chart now, this is where our last pullback is. So that's why I mark this level as my last pullback. So looking at it, what next? After I have my inducement, first thing I need to look out for is, where is my extreme? This is my extreme, which I know that market might get there, market might not get there, because it's not certain that market must mitigate your order block. What is important is liquidity. Looking at this, all this might be a liquidity for the market, the money resting here and all those stuff. So market has done enough. If you still want to use another approach, which I don't use, you can see market has done about 75% pullback. So, but I don't rely on all those things. What I want to see is market is giving me bullish movements in 1 hour, because this will have been 1 hour structure bullish. So I want to wait and see when the market will give me change of character to the down that will align with this bearish daily movement. So I went straight to 1 hour, and fortunately for me, I was able to catch 1 or 2 trades, which I bought because I know that we are temporarily going up. So I had a trade on this. If you watch my last video, I had a trade on this, put my stop loss here, then target 1 to 3 in this trade. So market actually hit my take profit. So why do I take this trade? I can see that we have a break of structure here in 1 hour. This low has to be protected, and as you can see, market only sweep this low. Market refused to close below here. It was what we call external liquidity sweep. So this is not change of character, because no candle closed below here, as you can see here. So now this level is still protected. Where is an inducement? Probably inducement is in this place like this. If you have this level, because of the gap, I don't know whether there is inducement here, but maybe on another broker will have inducement here. So let me use this as inducement, and market took out inducement, sweep all the external liquidity, and did what? And close above. So this gives me mind that, okay, market has given me break of structure. So what are we looking for next? First thing is to look for inducement, which I identified to be here, like this. Put my stop loss. So then where is my extreme? This is my extreme order block. I explained this in my last video. This is my extreme order block. But due to my experience, I understand that this is an order block, this is an order flow. And there is huge gap, which we call fair value gap here. Fair value gap here. So because I had an experience that sometimes markets will mitigate fair value gap and push. So I decided to put my entry at the middle of the fair value gap. So that's why I had this entry like this and put my stop loss below. And as you can see, market actually respected the fair value gap and start moving up. So I had a switch trade here. So moving forward, we had a break of structure here. Let me remove this. So moving forward, we had a break of structure here. So what am I looking for next? After having a break of structure here, I need to look for inducement, which serves me like this. This is my valid inducement. This was the first inducement. This was the first inducement. Market refused to come back, created another inducement here. So, and as you can see, market did what? Market came back for this inducement. And did what? Sweep this inducement and push up. So because it doesn't align with my trade setup, I'm not taking it, because I'm expecting market to come back to this low before I can take that trade. So, but it actually did what? Inducement taken out, then created another structure above here. So it means that this low is going to be, it must be protected if we want to continue going up. So looking at it, you can see that we have break of structure here. Why is it break of structure? Because market take out inducement before it moves. So looking at it, where is our inducement here? this level is our valid inducement. So what do? I was expecting the market to do what? To mitigate this level and continue going up. So I put my entry here because that's what I was expecting, and according to my setup, that's what I'm supposed to do. So thinking market will respect it and target 1 to 3, but unfortunately I set my limit order, market just took me out. So which makes it a valid loss because I actually follow my rules. So what do we have here now? We had a change of character here because this low has been taken out. So what are we looking out for? We are looking out for inducement, which is here. Inducement, which is here. Market must come up if you want me to enter this trade, or if you want to go like continue the bearish movement that he has shown us, that align with the daily movement. So remember, in daily, this move is just a daily pullback. All this move is just a daily pullback. These moves, all these moves are just daily pullback. From here are just daily pullback. So it's expected, and he has done 75% pullback. So if we had a change of character, then it's expected that market wants to realign with daily structure, which is showing us bearish. So two scenarios happen is what I'm expecting here. I want the market to come to this level. This is my order block with fair value gap. So I'll cover that fair value gap a little bit. So I want the market to come here before I sell to the direction. Or if something like that did not happen, market create another inducement, then I will still wait for it to happen like this, then sell. So this inducement will be shifted to this level. So those are the two scenarios that I will be expecting in this GDP JPY. This is not valid anymore, so we are not using it. So this is what I'll be expecting in GDP JPY and USD JPY, sorry. Then I will have to set my limit order here like this, because I understand that this high must be protected since we have change of character. It's very simple. This is exactly what the market is doing. Market is going up. So break of structure, and suddenly market change character like this. Market change character. Looking at it, this is break of structure. This is break of structure. Why? Because inducement was taken out. This level must be protected. This inducement, market give us change of character here. Then we're expecting the market to take out inducement and sell. So that's exactly what I'm expecting on this pair. So if market created another inducement, I'll wait for it until market create another structure below before I can change this entry. So straight to NZD card. Sorry, my network is a bit slow today. I just have to manage it. So looking at NZD card, let's go to 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame on NZD card is not that clear, but with the knowledge of structure mapping, and as you can see, we had, looking at it, market was bearish. Now in this place, it changed to bullish. In this place, it changed to bullish because we were having it this way. So this is the last high. The market suddenly do this. So in this scenario, we just need to look for inducement and probably market get here and continue. So don't be carried away. As long as we are ranging from here to here, we are here. This is our low. All these things are just internal structure. They are just internal structure. The same thing similar to AUD/USD. AUD/USD has been ranging inside the major structure for a very long time. So all these are just internal structure. This is our low, this is our high. All these are just internal structure. But since it's daily time frame and we are having our entry in 1 hour, then we are not going to wait. We need to look at what the internal structure is doing. So if I'm to mark this level now, because this is my high, this is my change of character in this level. This is my change of character, as you can see here. Then what next am I looking out for? I need to look out for where the inducement is. So I think I found it here. So this is the inducement. It means that market has to come below here, this level, before we can start looking at, say, okay, this market wants to continue. So inducement, but I need to look again to be sure. Yes. Okay. Yeah, this is the inducement. We have it here. I think I have to dedicate a whole video to show you how I identify these inducements of a thing. If you can identify the valid pullback, then definitely you will identify where the inducement is. And after inducement, these are other block with a very small, with a small fair value gap. So, and let's see whether market respects it. So this is the fair value gap, because if you look below, I want to see whether I have another block that is valid. This has been mitigated. This is not valid. What about this? Yes, something like this. This is also, no, this is not another block. So there's no other block here. I think this is the only one we have, this and this. So let's see, maybe markets respect it. Boom, as you can see, market actually came back there and was giving us reaction. Now, inducement taken out, value marked, I've checked that one out. So this inducement taken out, daily inducement taken out, mitigation in our POI. So it's a sign that we can have a continuation to the up. And as you can see, immediately market got to this level, market start changing direction. It started creating higher low. So this internal structure changed from bearish to bullish from here. Because if you want to look at it, market is creating something like this for us. This inducement, then take out this low. The moment market take out this high, it means that we are going up. So as you can see, market sweep this high, mitigate something here, mitigate something here, break this high, mitigate something here at the extreme. These are all internal structure, break this high. So if I'm to look at it now, we had a break of structure here internally because market is going up. So we have a break of structure here. So what are we looking for? We are looking for inducement, which is here. We are looking for inducement, which is here. Then where is our extreme? Extreme other block here. So as you can see, why do I mark this as another block? Because of what? Because it's the other block with fair value gap. So those are the characteristics of valid other block. This other one has been mitigated. So now that we can establish this, even look at what the market is forming here. Bearish candle, indecisional candle, and bullish engulfing. So this is a shooting star formation. It's a sign that market might be looking for a subtrend. But I'm not looking at that alone. I want to see what will happen in daily time frame, in 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is what will give me confirmation that this level is going to hold and we should start buying from there. So looking at it, look at it. So what is 1 hour doing until you get to this level? 1 hour structure has been intact. So where is the 1 hour structure? We have this high. The market created a fake change of character from, then came back to break this level again. So we have double change of character. according to the plan. So because market is not expected to close above here, but it did. And did what? It came back again. Sorry, this break of structure. So, and it did. So when it did, we should be looking for buy here. But market said no, I still need more liquidity, and change character again to the downside. So when I saw this, I say, okay, this is our change of character. It means that this high is the recent high that market has to protect. But for me now that the market has mitigated this higher time frame PO high. So if we had this level that must be protected, eventually, if the market continue to go up and give me change of character, I will know that this level is holding because of this higher time frame. So once I have change of character here, I will look for inducement taking out and an entry. So this is what I will be waiting for on this pair NZD card. So let's look at the current situation here. We had a change of character to the down, probably break of structure for some people, but for me it's a change of character to the down. It means that market might still be looking for more downside. Although it has mitigated daily POI, but 1 hour is still not telling me that it's ready to go up. So I need to follow the signs, the footprint that the 1 hour is giving me. So in this case, I will be watching. I will not want to take this trade anyhow. So what I look for here is I mark my 1 hour inducement in this level, 1 hour inducement. Then I want to see whether we had a POI at this level, at this extreme. Yes, I think we had a POI here, this level, because there is fair value gap. So we had a POI here. So this is what I'll be expecting. But because we had a higher time frame mitigation, if this level, because this is also a supply zone for this trade, this is also a supply zone. So if this level fail like this level can hold and push the market down. But if it fails like this, then I will be looking to buy to this level like this. Because of what? Because we are on higher time frame mitigation. So if I don't want to do this, I will wait for this to happen. I will wait for this to happen like this. Then change of character. This will mean we had a change of character. Then I will position at the extreme again and continue. So this movement will show me that this higher time frame POI is holding, because this level changed 1 hour character for me. So I will be looking to buy like this, to position like this. So I might want to buy to this level, but I don't think I want to do that. I want to see what the market is going to do before I can jump in. But if we had a breakdown, it means that this level is not holding. Then we continue looking for setup to the downside. So currently as it is now on this pair NZD card, I want to see change of character to happen. I want change of character to happen here. No, I'm seeing something here. Sorry guys. I think this is our recent high now. Why? Look at this. When market take out this low, I don't know, maybe it's on this broker, it actually went back to take out inducement here. Then this is an inducement, then market breakdown. So it means that we have something like this on its way coming. We have something like this. Sweep this high, this low, then created. So this is what we have here now. So automatically this level, because it has taken out inducement, will represent our recent high now. So anything that violates this high, that means we have change of character. So sorry, I was able to see that. So now, where is our POI at the extreme? This level. Good. So if market want to go up, he has to give us change of character from here. He has to create change of character from here. So looking at it, we have change of character. If we have change of character here, that will make it a sweet trade for us. First confirmation, market is responding on daily POI. Second confirmation, 1 hour change of character. Then third confirmation is for us to look for inducements like this. Change of character here, look for inducements, then maybe position here, then buy. So if you are buying this trade like this, our stop loss have to be below here, below this level. Then we can now target 1 to 3. So, but that's just what I'm expecting. I'll wait and see what will happen here. If market breaks down again, that means the structure want to continue. Then we'll reposition for more sell side entry. Then we'll move from there. So this is what I have from this NZD card. So I'll have to fast forward this thing because I don't want this video to be too long. This is on EURUSD. Something similar is happening here. Looking at EURUSD. Let me remove for this drawing. Very simple. EURUSD was bullish. Now we are looking at bearish. Why is it bullish? Look at it. We were creating a sort of, on this place, we had change of character here. Market was giving us break of structure to the up. Change of character, no inducement. We had something like inducement here. Market mitigate here. Market break structure. Market took out inducement, mitigate this level. Break, mitigate this level. Like this. Break structure again. Inducement. So anything that makes this market to do what? To take out this low, it means we have change of character. So you can see change of character, inducement, extreme mitigation. This extreme. So you see, all these things are internal structure. And as you can see, at the end of the day, market went back to extreme like this. This extreme. You see, straight. So inducement, all these are just internal noise. Then you see immediately market got to extreme. Boom, market was. So in this trade, once we take out this low, it means that we have a daily break of structure like this. It means we have daily break of structure. So now we are arranging, this is going to be our high, this is going to, but once we close there, this is going to be our high. So in daily movement, we still need more rooms to come down to this pair, to this level. So looking at it, this daily, we are coming down because we have to break this structure. So I will just move straight to 1 hour to go and see what 1 hour is doing. Sorry, my network again. To go and see what 1 hour is doing. So this is what 1 hour is doing. When market mitigates this level, we had a change of character. Market has been bearish. I just want to see what the recent 1 hour is doing. So looking at it, we had inducement here, break of structure here. So it means that we are ranging from this high to this low. So market refused to come up, created another inducement here. Mitigate something here, break of structure again. You see, whenever market take out inducement, you see that good moves. See, created inducement here. Immediately it took out this inducement, mitigate decisional POI here, then drop. So I actually missed this trade because I knew that market is supposed to drop here, but it's not fulfilling all my criteria, so I just had to leave it. So then it means that we are ranging from here to this low now. Why? Because this is our inducement here. Market is giving us the current inducement like this. So me, I will be looking for this other block, because this, I understand that this high must be protected. So all these things are just, so I'll have my limit order here, then protect this top, the high, then look for 1 to 3. So this is what I'll be expecting on EURUSD going forward from next week. So don't be surprised. This is it. As you can see, market will create movement, and once it gets here, we can have a drop. So that's what I'm looking out for in 1 hour. These are just internal moves, which is none of my business. So I want to see what the market will do. Another scenario is if the market come back to take out this low. So what are we looking out for? Once this low has been taken out, it means that this will be our new high, and probably maybe if market creates inducement, if markets come back here like this, if markets come back here like this will be our inducement, then we can sell. So that's what I'll be looking out for. But currently, this is what I'm positioning for on EURUSD. So let me go straight to GBPUSD to see what we are actually looking out for on this GBPUSD. It's crazy that my network is kind of slow today, but we just have to manage it. Just have to manage it and see. So this is it, guys. On so on GBP and GBPUSD, we are waiting for, I think I have to chill with this network, or I have to change it. Any of the two is what I'm supposed to do now. Okay, I think it's back. So in GBPUSD, you can see that this is GBPUSD. I think this is what I used last time to explain to you guys based on what I was expecting. So GBPUSD, let me go to daily time frame and clear this chart. So looking at GBPUSD, we have been bullish for a while now. Why are we bullish? Looking at this is our high, this is our low. Market break this high, take out inducement, break this high again. This is our high, this is our low. This inducement, market creates high here, then market break this low. So we have change of character. So we are expecting market to sell off from here, and as you can see, market got to this level and gives more directional fill. So it means that market created another change of character here, this level. So in daily time frame, it means that we are ranging from this low. We are expecting to range from this low, from this level to this high. Why? To this high. So why? Because we had a change of character to the up here. Market is looking for upside movement like this. So it means that this is our low, this is our break of structure that happened, which we call change of character. So then what next after this level? After market break that structure in daily, we look for inducement here. So daily inducement, I'm seeing tiny inducement here. So we look for inducement here and look for what? Extreme. Probably this level, extreme order block here. So is this valid? Let's check. Why is this extreme order block? Look at it. This is the candle. Why? Imbalance, fair value gap. Look at it. This fair value gap in between. This fair value gap. So this level now, we attract the market. So as it is now, we are expecting the market to come down to this level. But what is important is inducement, which is this level that the market has taken out. So how are we going to approach this level now? This thing now. All these things can serve as SMT. People will be buying here. This will be giving the market reaction, but markets will look for deeper pullback. So I'm not going to be trapped or be deceived by all this other block. So to me, it's like smart money trap. So I'll follow what the market is doing. So in this case, market is telling us that it's coming down in 1 hour. So what are we looking out for? Go straight to 1 hour. You see what the market is doing currently. Looking at this. Look at this. I had a switch trade here last week. So let's just briefly explain. Break of structure. This high is protected. Market sweep this low. Market swept that low. So we had break of structure here. Market took out inducement here. Then break below again. So it means that this high must be protected. So what is market doing again? So market was busy coiling down, but I observed something here. It seems market created another structure below. So this is an inducement. This is an inducement the market created below, and you see market went back to take out that inducement, then drop like this. So it means that this is what market did. It created structure below. So as you can see, and it dropped. Looking at this, you see inducement taken out, break below here. So in this scenario, it means that this is going to be our recent high. Because of what? Market has created structure below. So this one is not going to be valid anymore. So I'll be looking from this low to this high. So what am I looking for in this situation now, current situation now? I want the market to give me change of character here. To give me inducement taken out here. Then I will look for my order block. This is a valid order block, but I want to see if it's not mitigated. I think this has been mitigated already. This level. Do we have imbalance? Very tiny. Yes, we have a this is not mitigated. So now, if this market can come back here, I'll be glad to sell like this. So this is where I will put my order, my limit order, and I'll be expecting markets to come here, protect this level, and continue going down. 1, 2, 3. So this is what I will be looking out for next week. Inducement must be taken out. Once we have this taken out, then we can expect the market to come to this level and drop. So this is my approach, and this is what I'm looking for next week. So moving forward to EURUSD, I'm actually on trade on this pair. Currently on trade. Why am I on trade on this pair? Let me just briefly show you guys. So this is the current situation on EURUSD using the same approach. So what are we looking out for here? Market gave us break of structure in daily. This is the low. So in daily, this is the low. Then market did what? Market mitigates this extreme. Let me make it clear. So we have an extreme order flow here, order block here. Why? Look at it. After break of structure here, after break of structure in this place, where are we looking? What are we looking at for? We look for inducement that must be taken out. Look at it, daily IDM. So this is where the market, all these things, market got to this level and see the reaction. But why is this level still important to us? because of what market did here. Market only did liquidity sweep and did what? And came down. So whenever things happens like this, two things is likely to happen. Considering that this is daily time frame, two things is likely to happen. Is either market need more liquidity by coming from inducement, or market want to change character. So this is last daily inducement. This level is not break of structure. Why? Because market has not closed above here. So it's just external liquidity sweep. It means that this low is still intact. So anything that take out this low, that's when we can say we have change of character. And as I said, once this happens, market might want to do what? To come and change character, because he has taken out all the liquidity here. So you might be targeting the other liquidity below here. So this is in daily time frame. So if we put our other block here, I expect the market to go up. So what I notice is when this market was coming down, this market was giving me bearish internal structure. Look at it. Inducement taken out, market mitigate it, break structure. Inducement taken out, market mitigate extreme and refuse to go up. So it's coming down. So looking at this, it means that market might want to target this low because of the footprint of the market. So what I did was to go to 1 hour time frame. So I moved the trade to 1 hour to go and see what is actually happening here. So sorry, my network is kind of crazy. So what am I looking at? So I follow this trend and see, as you can see, market was temporary bearish, now suddenly bullish, considering 1 hour time frame. And now, temporary bullish, now suddenly bearish. So when I check it, where does the market change character in 1 hour? This level. That's where the market changed character. Why? Market break this high. Then this low supposed to be protected. This low supposed to be protected when the inducement has been taken out. So I expect the market to mitigate this low and continue, but it changed character. And look at it, created an inducement here, then take out the inducement and drop. So it means that this market is looking for sell side movement. So after a drop, it was looking for no inducement. So it means that this high has to be mitigated, has to be protected. So, but I saw something that was interesting. I was a bit confused, but when I checked it probably, and I saw that we had a pullback here. So market did something like this. As it was coming, give us small thing like this, come down, then sweep here, then come down. So it means that we had a structure formed here because market closed below here. So it means that we had an inducement here. So market created another structure below by giving us break of structure here. So looking at it, it means that this high must be protected by all means if market wants to look for more downside. So this high must be protected. So when I saw this, I said, okay, where is our inducement? This is our inducement. This level is the last place the market created pullback. This is our inducement. Then what else? This is my other block, extreme order block. So that's where I had a limit order set here. Then targets 1 to 3. So I'm currently in this trade. So I hope it plays out. But if it doesn't, if market take out any of this level like this, it means we have change of character. So this is my current situation on on Euro AUD. So I'm expecting the market to continue coming down at least to this level. So, but as you know, I only take 1 to 3 from this trade. So let's see how it goes. This is my final analysis on this one before I enter Bitcoin. So the network is a bit slow, so, and it's wasting too much of my time. So, but I just have to manage it and be patient with it today. So probably next time I will use more better network. So looking at this, when I checked this pair, I just saw that this pair is actually giving me what I wanted, and it's looking nice. So in order not to waste time, I will not want to go to daily time frame on this one. I just want to show you guys why I entered the trade. Looking at it, this trade was bullish before, now suddenly creating lower low, and lower low, higher low, whatever they call it. So this is it. You see, this market creates high here. This market create high for me here. This high. This network is driving me crazy. So you just have to manage it. So this market created, you see, after change of character, I think change of character happens there. Market creates high here, break this low, market mitigate extreme, inducement, mitigation here, break this low again. So in a nutshell, this is what I saw. When I saw this break of structure here, it's very simple. It's not going to be too deep. Inducement, mitigation. So this other block mitigation, but as fair value gap. So market reacted to the whole fair value gap or order flow. So when I saw this, I said, okay, we have another break of structure below here. Market actually closed below here. Market actually confirmed this level here. It confirms this level by closing below here, this candle. So it was liquidity sweep before, and when you see liquidity sweep, is a sign that market want to go back, either for major move or for just temporary. So it's just it was grabbing money, and when it grabbed enough, it push up. So you see, so it means that this high, we are ranging from this high to this low. So what are we looking at for? What am I looking at for? I just say, okay, in this scenario, where's my inducement? I have a small inducement here. Then where's my POI? Let me see if I'm gonna find POI. No POI. Everything has been mitigated. So what I did was, since I know that this level will be protected, I just had to put my entry above 70% pullback, 75% pullback. So since there's no other block for me to target, and I look for what? 1, 2, 3. So, and as you can see, because this level must be protected, market just do its thing. Created movement, come back, blah, blah, blah. And now, as you can see, we are dropping. So this is how simple it is. There's no much no much analysis. See, this is what we are having here. Mitigation sell. Look at it. This is exactly what I've been preaching or what I've been saying all this while. This is a high. This is inducement, market takeout, inducement, mitigation sell. So it's not that deep. So this is the current trade. I had this currently moving like this on let me show you on NZD card and GBPNZD. I had it currently moving. So this is my current trade. I think my network is a bit slow. You see, this is my current trade on this pair. So because I know this level must be protected, so I was not really bothered. So this is my trade. So I'm looking out for this to happen. So I had two positions. I had one here, then other one here. So let's see how it goes. So finally, let me just touch down to Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been doing fine recently. So it's very interesting. So looking at it, we don't even need to go too far. This is what market has been doing. Market gave us break of structure here. Why break of structure in this place? Because of what? Because of inducement that was taken out. Because the inducement here was taken out, market swept this low. So it means that we are ranging from here, from this level. Network. It means that we are ranging from this level to this level. So when I saw this, when I did this analysis maybe some weeks ago, I said if market break this decisional POI, then we are coming down to this extreme, which is about 40,000. So why do I say that? This is what we had here. This is an inducement, daily inducement. This other block, this decisional, this extreme, this 50-50, this high probability. So as you see, market was just bouncing above it and finally gave us another clear direction. So it means that this trade, we are ranging from this level now. We are ranging from this level in Bitcoin, looking at daily time frame, this level to whatever the level the market is creating here. So what I did is I just mark my inducement. So we have my inducement here, then my extreme here. So if market eventually come to about $55,000, then it will be another opportunity for us to do what? To buy. So these are it's going. So that's if market. But in the current situation now, if we have if market creates another inducement at the top, like probably this, then it means that this will serve as our inducement, and we'll need to look for maybe other blocks somewhere here, then looking at this direction. So this other block, extreme other block. So currently, this is what we are looking out for. Inducement must be taken out. So this is the current situation in daily time frame. So this is what we'll be expecting. If market come back here, you can look for another entry to the top. But eventually, if anything happens and probably market give us change of character here, then we'll look for sell. So in daily time frame. So but as it is now, we are still very, very bullish. So what am I looking out for? Go to 1 hour. So in my 1 hour, I can see that market has been bullish. So I just want to see market creating another structure to the top. Looking at this, market gave me small inducement here, then break this high after taking out the inducement, break this high. So it means that in 1 hour, our low is here. We are protected. Then where is our inducement? Our inducement is somewhere here. So our inducement is somewhere there. So and as you can see, market sweep this inducement. I think it mitigates something here. This other block. Yes. So this other block. I actually having a trade on this. So immediately I saw this sweep and so on. I had to engage somewhere here. Put my stop loss here. Since we are Kuma bearish, we are bearish overall, then I'm looking at this. So this is what I'm looking at on Bitcoin. So if you look at it, market tapped my entry and was moving on. So this is the trade. I think I still have it on. This is the trade I'm looking at for. So you can see. So this is it. So I'm still running in profit. I want to see whatever market is going to do. But if this happens, if market comes down, then I will change my bias from bearish to bullish, because market has been bullish in daily time frame for a while now. So probably maybe market just want to, to have some rest or some kind of smaller pullback. And as you can see on this daily analysis, market can look for daily inducement before it continue. So whichever way market is doing for us, we are waiting, and I'll follow the lead. I'm not just going to assume that I know whatever the market is going to do. So because everything is all about probability. So that's just it, guys. So this is what I'm looking out for on looking out for on these pairs this coming week. So I've positioned myself for whichever situation, following my rules, following my approach. So, and before I end, I just want to explain it in a very simple way. So all I do is to just look for what the market is doing in 1 hour time frame. If I can see the market is creating a higher low for me, taking out inducement for me, then I will reposition and wait for market to come and mitigate my distance. So this is as simple as this. In 1 hour in daily time frame, this is what I do. So all I need to do is to look for a pair. That will do what? Break structure for me, take out inducement, break structure, take out inducement. After taking out inducement, break the structure. I will look for my inducement again. Market come back, take out my inducement, mitigate extreme, then break structure. Then what? I want to see something like this again. Boom. So that's what I want to see. So I want to see something like this. So this is where I'm positioning at. I'm not this level. I will position here, put my stop loss below here, target 1, 2, 3. So as you see, it's not that deep. It's kind of, it's just for you to identify how the structure works. So that's it for this week. If any of the trade plays out or it's SL, I will come back and still show you guys what really happens, and I will update it on this platform. So see you again during the week, or probably for next week weekly analysis. So thank you guys. Bye.